Hello. If you're here, it's because something inside you is looking for an answer. Maybe it's a discomfort, a dull ache, the feeling that life is passing by and you're stuck. Today, we're talking about the biggest lie you tell yourself. The lie of scarcity. The belief that you don't have enough, aren't good enough, and that opportunities are for others. That voice that whispers, "Who do you think you are?" That voice is not the truth. It's a prison you built yourself. And I'm not here to give you a virtual hug and positive phrases. I'm here to show you the way out. Healing is not about feeling good all the time. Healing is about becoming strong enough to face the truth. Let's start at the root. Fear. Do you think fear is your enemy? It's a sign that you're about to do something that truly matters. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's the decision that something is more important than fear. How many dreams have you buried because fear shouted louder? Now, think of the quiet regret of never having tried. That regret is a life sentence for your soul. You don't need magical confidence to start. You need to start to build confidence. Every small step, every promise you keep to yourself is a brick in that construction. Your self-esteem will not improve by looking in the mirror and repeating pretty phrases. It improves on the battlefield of real life, when you defend a boundary, when you finish that project you procrastinated on, when you choose yourself, even if no one else does. And purpose. Forget that eternal search for the great purpose of your life. Purpose is not a glamorous destination you discover. It's a dirt road you build with the stones life throws at you. It's in the small acts of service, in how you treat people, in the problem you solve with the talent you already have, and emotional healing. It's not linear. You don't climb a ladder and that's it. It's a spiral. Some days you feel on top of the world, and on others the same old pain returns. And that's okay. You are not regressing. You are facing the same lesson from a higher level of awareness. Change hurts. It's scary to leave the known zone, even if it's a cage. But I need to ask you, which pain do you prefer? The sharp pain of courage or the chronic, suffocating pain of resignation? The pain of choice or the pain of powerlessness? The decision is yours. The pain of choice or the pain of powerlessness? The decision is yours. But know this, abundance, true abundance of opportunities, love, and fulfillment, begins with one radical act of recognizing what already works. Stop right now for just 10 seconds and think of 3 simple things you have that work. The air you breathe, the lesson that failure gave you, one single talent of yours. This is not positive thinking. It's recalibrating your attention. It's taking the focus off the hole and directing it to the step. Your mind is the most fertile ground you own. What are you planting in it? Fear and scarcity, or evidence, however small, of your own capability. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the decision not to take one more step in the wrong direction. What will your decision be today? If this video touched something real inside you, don't let that flame die out. Help this message reach more people who are struggling in silence. Hit like right now.